Okay, the Lytic cycle is one of the main phases in the viral reproduction. Um, the Lytic cycle is considered really um, the main phase. The other phase is the lysogenic cycle, but that's not really. It's more of the preparation of the cell to begin the steps of the Lytic cycle. So, but it still is a step. But there are 6 stages in the Lytic cycle. One of them is attachment, injection, integration, replication, assembly, and then lysis. And we're gonna go through each one of those so you know which is which. So you start with the uninfected cell. The cell is uninfected, and the virus attaches itself and then injects DNA into the cell. Um, after that, after injection is integration. That's basically just the DNA telling the cell what to do. Um, Next, you have assembly and replication. That's just the parts of the cell of the virus forming and getting ready to become the virus. And then last step is lysis. Uh, Lysis is basically once the virus is complete, it's built the viruses and they're ready to go and infect other cells. So and then they go from infecting they go from this cell to go and infect another uninfected cell, and the cycle is completed. So you have a couple questions here. The word in the worksheet. I'm sorry my not so good handwriting, but the first question is, what is the Lytic cycle? Um, and the answer would be the main stage in bioreproduction. Um, Number 2 is the bursting of the host cell is called, and that's the last step in the last step in the Lytic cycle, which is lysis. Um, and then number 3, in the Lytic cycle, the blank attaches to the cell, and that would be the virus. You have a couple true or false questions. Um, True or false? Viruses kill the cell after the Lytic cycle. That would be true. Once the Lytic cycle is complete, this viruses break open the cell and lysis, and the cell dies. Number 2, lysis is the first step in the Lytic cycle. And that'd be false. The first step is attachment. Number 3 is just basically to draw the Lytic cycle to help you get a little bit more familiar with it, so you know all the steps. And that's it.